Hi guys, welcome back. This is Angela from the App Brewery, and it's a new day, which means that it's time for a new project. So in the coming lessons, we're going to be building something really exciting, or at least I'm really excited to build it with you. So far, none of our web apps that we have built have been deployed. And none of them have really been all that exciting to deploy, to be honest. But everything is going to change for the next project. So the web app that we're going to be building is a newsletter app. So I'm probably signed up to far too many newsletters, but some of them are real gems and I really enjoy reading them. So if you are somebody who wants to set up your own newsletter where you want to email people who are interested in hearing from you, well, then you need a sign up page, right? So this is what we're going to be building. It's a single page website that looks pretty nice. And on the front end, it looks incredibly simple. But on the back end, it's got some powerful functionality that will allow you to sign people up to your mailing list. So let's give it a go. Let's try, let's say that Jack Bauer wanted to sign up to my mailing list. Now, once I click sign up, if it was successful, then I get taken to the success page. And if it wasn't, then I will get a failure page. So now, finally, we were successful, and the data that we entered into that collection box doesn't just disappear. No, it gets sent to our list on Mailchimp, and all of that data gets added into our list, and our new subscriber gets added. So that means now you can go ahead and send your newsletters or your email campaigns to your subscribers, and this list will build up as more and more people subscribe to your newsletter. So the special part of this website is that if you look at up here, that is not a local host anymore. This is an actual HTTPS website, and you can include this URL in your socials, on Facebook or Instagram, and anybody can access this because it's now on the World Wide Web. So this is going to be a really cool and really useful website by the time that you've finished making it. And it's all down to this integration with Mailchimp. And we're going to explore how to work with their APIs and how to post data and communicate with their server in order to send them pieces of data that we want them to hold on to. So I hope you're excited. Once you're ready, let's head over to the next lesson.